Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 40 Truman Circle here in Springfield, Massachusetts.
This unique California ranch has just been nicely updated with 3 bedrooms and over 1,800 square feet of living space. Let's go take a look.
Looking for turnkey move-in ready? Then this is the one.
The perfectly spacious living room features a fireplace, new floors, and plenty of room for all your friends and family.
Three nicely sized bedrooms are exactly what you're looking for in this custom ranch. And don't forget about more space in the finished basement.
Outside you will find 1-car garage, deck, fenced-in yard, all in a fabulous location with plenty of parking.
We hope you have enjoyed your personal tour of 40 Truman Circle here in Springfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us on the number below.
Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you.
Oh, my bad.
Ooh, busted.
40.
Next.
You got that right, sister.
Hey, fabulous was flunky.
Yeah.